we had a lovely day. It was a good breeze for us. Wonderful sailing. We've been coming here a few years now for the Caribbean 600 and for many Antigua race weeks over the years. Oh, it's great fun. Big party place. Well, last year was it? 60th, and we were going to come out for a big party on the 1st of May last year, which, by the way, is always during Antigua race week, and it didn't happen because of COVID. So we come out this year, and we've got a team of about 20 here now. Another 45 turn up, so we'll be 65, 70 people for the parties. Enjoy the place tremendously. The bars, the clubs, restaurants. It's just the Caribbean. It's wonderful. The weather's wonderful, even when it rains. It's just fantastic.
Little shards of a larger crystal ball.